Hey everyone, Jack Boys with Steam Engines USA. So coming back with this Jensen 20R. So I've taken the steam line off, the pop-up valve, whistle, and when I loosened it up, this slid out of the steam chest. So it's all the eccentrics and reversing lever for that. So it's a very smooth flywheel here. It's actually got two bolts through it to secure it to the drive shaft there, and out here it's got a little pulley. It does have round shaped push rods. Eccentrics are square. So, but right there's the culprit. Just got knocked off, it looks like. So that'll need to be polished, and we'll get this soldered back on. I'll go right there. Those little holes line right up. So yeah, we'll have to get that fixed. But otherwise, it's a nice looking engine. Let's just take this off the front and see what we got here. Oops. So hold on a second, I'll come right back. I'm gonna need two hands. Alright, so we got the top of the piston plate off, and it's super smooth. You can see where they drilled out this angled hole, created a little lip there for the steam chest. And the back one will be the same way. That one right there, it'll be at an angle going behind it. So that's what I got there. I'm gonna tag my buddy Randy in this photo, and probably bring a steam engine to you, and let you work your magic on it. She did a phenomenal job. Let's see here. Randy actually made one of these for his 20R, and thing looks incredible. So this should be a pretty easy fix. Soldering it back down in there and cleaning it up. And in the meantime, I'm gonna clean the board up and clean this boiler. Take these off, clean them, and probably next time you see this engine, it'll be back together and we'll run it. So from High Point, North Carolina, Steam Engines USA. Thanks for watching.